evening to all of you all. I was trying to get collective hunger logo behind me, but it didn't work. It's okay. Good evening to all of you all. बेटे सबको good evening नहीं बोलूँगा. Right? We'll just get going straight. As always, same. विरल है, मेरा सब बच्चे लोग है, प्रतीक है, राजेश चड्डा साहब है. सबसे hello नहीं बोल सकता हूँ. I can only say namaste to all of you all. Today is going to be very special. Right? We are going to talk about a right. Hey, by God. Krishna Rana, right? He's on here. Amol Shinde ji is here. I'm so happy. Right. So I'll tell you a joke later. Right. God bless all of you all. Chalo. So what we'll do is we have got Captain Aditya here. Right. Long schedule. All of you have been waiting for him. So we'll straight away get on to task. It's exactly 7:30 as per my laptop. So we'll go with that. So but very simple. What are we doing today? We are going to get on to understanding agriculture as a new profession. But before that, some very important announcements. As Mujib sir come on board, it's very important for me that Mujib sir comes in once.
Yes, sir, Mujib sir is in line.
Okay. So Mujib sir, can you just come for 1 minute? Humble request. If you can put your screen on, because there is a message. Yeah, I'm wearing a tie, bache, because my sponsor did not give me permission to remove the tie. Okay, so this is Mujib sir. All of you know Mujib.
Yes, yeah.
Right? And you know how well he spoke. I kept getting all the messages. There's a reason I called sir again, because I'm slightly worried. And Mujib sir does not know why I've called him again. And I want him to speak from his heart. So I'm slightly worried. So we start today's session. A disclaimer. Right. We start with this disclaimer, and I will have to share screen. So there's a reason I called you, sir. I'm slightly perturbed about one incident which has happened. And I want you to tell something to my class. And you are not prepared. I don't want you to be prepared for this also. So, but a disclaimer with the right eye, spelling is right. Okay, everything is perfect today. As always, Dr. Shrikant, my guru, Dr. Parimal Masjid, and all of you all, super leaders, each one achievers. Right, Abhay for preparing the slides. Mujib has just come for 1 5-minute thing. And of course, today's hero. Today's blockbuster star, Captain Aditya Pathak, agripreneur. He practices agriculture as an entrepreneur. Now, this is important. Mujib sir, this is where you have to come in, please. Right? So, right, these 3 slides is where you have to come in. But I am slightly disturbed because we lost somebody who, according to me, was doing extremely well in his life. Okay, so this was a campaign that was done on suicide prevention in Singapore. If you're using a smartphone, can you just turn it upside down and see what is happening? Kar sakte hai isme? Very good. My son says he can do it here itself. Wow, I didn't know this. Wow, I didn't know this. Kuch kar sakte hai kya? ठीक है, no problem. Sorry, I didn't keep you prepared. But isko ulta karke dekho. And you realize that there is something seriously wrong in this picture. My son will try for 2 minutes. And he's a superhero, my son. Can I have a clap for my son, please? I didn't realize he could do all this. Young man, तो बेटे एक थोड़ा problem है. If this could happen to somebody like him, I'm worried. I'm seriously worried. मैं वो दिन कुछ नहीं बोला क्योंकि I was trying to just let the news sink in. ये हो सकता है क्या? And he was a great guy. MS Dhoni. वो picture देख के you could realize this guy was very talented. And unfortunately, I'm using the word was. And today, all of you are going to face these challenges. कोई चाचा बोलेगा, father बोलेगा, और लड़का father को बोलेगा गलत किया. हेमंत जी, thank you for your advice. फिर आपस में आप लोग झगड़ा करोगे, आप लोग emotionally upset होगे. So this was Mujib ji. He doesn't know this, I promise. I've not told him why he has come here. This was what I told you about him. And 2010, he lost his job. And he didn't do this. He didn't do this. Of course, he was heartbroken. Everybody will be, अरे managing director से रास्ते पे आ गया sir. रास्ते पे. I'm sure the tax that he paid in 2009 would have equaled his income in 2010. Tax that he paid in 2009 would have been equal to the income in 2010. आदमी टूट जाता है. But what did this man do? देख लो. इनका WhatsApp आया मुझे, and I said, boss, I got it. I have to get this message. He's shocked. He doesn't know I was doing it. He did this. He's enjoying life, work-life balance, and still doing well. I'm sending a message, and that message will not come from me. That message will come from my dear colleague, Mujib ji. Sir, you have to advise my youngsters. Challenging times, emotional quotient is going to slightly slack now because it's difficult times. Sir, 2 or 3 minutes of your time, sir. That's all I request you. What did you do to strengthen your mental base, your spiritual base, and then how did you come back? Sir, 2 to 3 minutes, and I know you're not prepared. That's why I wanted you to speak from your heart.
No. So Anil sir, first of all, thanks for getting me here, and yeah, you have touched a very emotional chord, I must say. So I'll tell you how it was. So I had spent close to 16 years in corporate life, and 2008 was, of course, a rough time. But in spite of that, our organization had done well. They had given us bonuses. I had been given a promotion. So 2010, when this happened, it certainly was a shock, no doubt about it. And to be very frank, when you are in a job, so when I was in ICICI Bank, there is an organization, everybody works collectively. So when you leave a job, वो इतना feel नहीं होता है. But when I was part of this hedge fund, I was the first employee. Hedge fund, private equity funds typically work as very small groups. So we were only 6 of us. पूरा business scratch से start किया था. And including my relationship with various partners and the amount of money, we had invested close to 750 crores in India. And there were certain ups and downs, but projects were still doing well. So when this decision was taken that, okay, we are going to now shut shop in India. So fortunately, these guys, they did give us some advance intimation कि ऐसा होने वाला है. Unlike most of the like Lehman Brothers and all, one fine day somebody came and told you कि अभी just pack up and go. वैसा नहीं हुआ. So they had given us intimation somewhere around at least 2 months in advance. And they said, Abhi, you have to leave this company. We will give you a severance package. So of course it came as a shock. And so one was I could have now taken a stand saying that, and I had to hand over everything that I had done to somebody else who was based in Minneapolis. So can you imagine? I started the business, I set up everything, made investments. The clients and the investee companies, they have trust in me, they have faith in me and my team. अभी हमको बोला गया है 31st July के बाद आप नहीं रहोगे और ये किसी और को hand over करना है. So in fact, I did seek advice from some friend and somebody said, no, you should not hand over and all. But somewhere I thought, see, there is no point in being angry about it and being antagonistic about it. So we very peacefully handed over everything. 31st of July 2010 was our last day. And we were 6 of us with another advisor friend. हमने अभी सोचा कि आगे life में करना क्या है. So we had decided, let's go into the hills and we will think for 15 days कि आगे करना क्या है. So we took a flight on 31st of July, 6 of us, and we went to Ladakh. So we flew into Srinagar, and from there we had driven down to Leh. When we were in Srinagar, when we landed in Srinagar, there was a curfew. If you remember, in 2010, there was this rape incident that happened in Shopian and Srinagar was burning. हमको हमारे ड्राइवर ने बोला था आप आ जाओ, अपने को खाली बस ड्राइव करके निकलना है. We got stranded in Srinagar for close to 6 hours. Our vehicle got stoned and the army had to actually escort a vehicle out of it. So that was a harrowing experience there. तो वो एक हो गया. उसके बाद everything went very fine. Ladakh is beautiful. Then we were in a place called Nubra Valley, which is beyond Khardungla. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग थे तभी there was a flood. If you remember 2010 में there was a heavy flood that happened in Ladakh, Leh rather. So वहाँ पे तो बारिश ही नहीं होती है, but उस साल इतनी बारिश हुई that the entire city was wiped out. And on that specific night we were in a different place. दूसरे दिन हम लोग जब वापस आए देखा कि सिटी में कुछ बचा ही नहीं है. We were then stranded for about 8 days. And after that, with great difficulty, we came back. But that is when I realized, हम ऐसे जीते हैं कि बस लाइफ तो बहुत लंबी है, ये कल करेंगे, वो कल करेंगे. And this is where I realized, श्रीनगर में we could have जिंदगी से हाथ धोना पड़ता था. By a quirk of fate, we were able to come out of Leh. That is when I realized, it's like everybody believes that there are 2 lives. Your second life starts when you realize that you have only one. And that is when I told myself कि बस अभी लाइफ में जो भी करना है ना खुद के लिए करना है, किसी और को दिखाने के लिए नहीं करना है, कोई सोसाइटल प्रेशर के लिए नहीं करना है. And I had an offer at that point of time from Standard Chartered Bank. I met their head of global stressed assets. I went to Dubai to meet him. He flew down from London. I declined that offer. And I told him very clearly, कि boss, I've gone through something in life और मुझे अपनी जिंदगी जीनी है. And one positive thing that happened on the financial aspect was, even as my salary went increasing, you know, our lifestyle was always very humble and very simple. So that is why when I lost my job, I really didn't have to worry about log kya kahenge and how can I show them that I'm in trouble. And fortunately, I didn't have any loans. At one point of time, I had 4 home loans with me. जब 2008 का क्राइसिस देखा था, सब कुछ लिक्विडेट कर दिया था. सो 2010 में जब जॉब गया तो इतना कोई टेंशन था नहीं, लोन था ही नहीं. And because lifestyle was simple, किसी को कुछ दिखाने का था नहीं, तो one of the first things I told my wife was, we are living in a very upscale part of DLF in Gurgaon. Let's move to something which is a little more mediocre. And family एकदम से तैयार हो गया. And then I told myself, I have come from a very middle class background, and you can actually realize that, you know, thinking about all these things, I still get a lump in my throat. But anyway, sorry for that. Yeah, so 16 years of career mein, from zero, if I was able to come to a particular point, it was because of your capability and because of the trust and faith you have in the Almighty. I think that is something which you should never lose. कुछ भी हो जाए, ऊपर वाला अपने साथ है, तो कुछ भी, जो भी होगा सब कुछ झेल लेंगे. And that is what I told myself, कि अगर अपने capability से हम यहाँ तक आए हैं, तो आगे भी कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाएगा. क्या होगा मुझे नहीं पता है. And that is when I took that leap of faith. So I spent almost 6 to 8 months trying to explore things कि आगे लाइफ में करना क्या है. And I must tell you, when दिल में confidence होता है, अच्छे दोस्त होते हैं, supportive family होती है, everything falls in line. Everything falls in line. And today I lead a life which is such a complete life. I write poetry, I make video films, I share it, and इसमें कुछ मिलता नहीं है. मतलब जो दिल को खुशी मिलती है, there is nothing that is monetary here. And earlier it was like, लोग क्या कहेंगे? You know what people told me? People told me कि आपने ये कैसे किया? They didn't tell me कि अरे आपने, you left your career at the peak and you could have been this and you could have done that. But I have lived my life, and life ऐसे जिए कि भाई अगर कल मरना पड़ेगा तो हम तैयार हैं. Because death can come anytime. So I think we should not be scared of death. And today I see with COVID, there are so many people who are scared of death. अरे मरना तो एक दिन सबको है भाई, जितना जीते हो, at least खुशी से जियो, कुछ legacy छोड़ के जाओ. And I don't know if I can show you. So I'm right now sitting in my room, and I don't know if I can really show you whether I can change this camera. मेरे पीछे मेरे सारे medals लगे हुए हैं. My running bibs are there. There are 2 maps of India. There is a map of the world. जिस पे सारे pin लगे हुए हैं of all the things that I have traveled. So memories are what are so dear to me. तो बोलते हैं ना, अगर आप महंगी गाड़ी खरीदते हो, that is a physical possession. आपको momentary pleasure मिलता है, but very soon that car keeps reminding you कि किसी और के पास इससे ज़्यादा कुछ है. Today I drive a WagonR, and everybody around me drives Audis and all those kind of things. Yet those people come to me because they know कि ये बंदा genuine है. ये कुछ fake करता नहीं है. अंदर से he's very strong, and I don't care about what people say or what they believe. And those are the same people who come back to me. So I think life is all about live your own life. यार तुम लोग किसको दिखाने के पीछे लगे हो? So I don't have anything to show but for me and my character and me as a friend. So all that I will say is, you know, हमारे पास एक ही लाइफ है, वो किसी को दिखाने के लिए मत जियो, अपने लिए जियो. You just have to tell yourself, अगर मेरे पास सिर्फ 1 महीना होता जीने के लिए, तो मैं क्या करता? और वो सारा कुछ काम जो मैं नहीं करता, मैं उसको करता ही नहीं. So if something comes to me and I believe कि this is not my, so I actually have created a life का vision, mission. I have a goal for a year, and you'd be surprised. There are certain things which I wrote. These were dreams for me. Like I wrote in that earlier thing, 13 treks in the Himalayas, and each trek has been more than 10 days. ये कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि कर सकते हैं. But what an amazing experience. You know, when you are in the Himalayas, you are surrounded by the nature. I mean, that is the best form of meditation. So I think we all have to define, how will you measure success? Success is not money. I'm not saying that money is not required. See, money is very much required. But where do you put an end? आपके पास, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, you know, the money that you want is always 4 times the money that you have. तो उसका कोई end ही नहीं है. अरे बच्चे क्या खाते हैं? दाल रोटी खाते हैं, simple. So what I earn now, is maybe a fraction of what people in the corporate world earn. बट खर्चे ही नहीं है कुछ. मेरा खर्चा पूरा साल का है, मेरा रनिंग का शूज है, रनिंग का गियर है. So I lead a very happy life. And I was telling Anil sir the other day, you know, time abundance is very important. अगर आप अपने वक्त के मालिक हो तो आप सबसे खुश इंसान हो. अगर आपका वक्त किसी और का वक्त है, कोई और आपको बोल रहा है कि ये करो वो करो, लॉट ऑफ पीपल से मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है. अरे तो आप टाइम से तो कंगाल हो. फिर आप तो आपने किया क्या लाइफ में? इतना पैसा अगर कमाया और आपके पास टाइम ही नहीं है. आज मेरे पास टाइम है, मेरे पास एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, मेरे मेमोरीज हैं. And touch wood, because of this, I've led a very stress-free life, and I focus a lot on health. I help a lot of people. So I think life is so fulfilling. तो मैं आपको ये बोलूँगा, I don't know where did we get into this rat race? Where did we get into the Western world of working endless hours? Why would you not spend time with your children? Because the time spent with your children, their childhood, I think this will never come back. And I have lived that life. So my only submission to people is live your own life, decide what you want, think about your own life, and don't go by what the world is doing around you. The दुनिया सब पागल है. आप वो सब करो जो आपको सही लगता है. And सबके अंदर एक conscience है. We have what we say, एक ज़मीर है अपना. It tells you what is right or what is wrong. Just go ahead and do that. And I have touch wood. My friend circle is all people who are like this. मैंने पूरा एक like you know, last 1 year we have been walking. We also do walking and running. I have made a compendium of all the flowers that we spotted when we walk around. Can you imagine that? What a wonderful feeling it is to hold a shiuli and a harsingar in your hand. Morning का breeze, morning का sunrise, ये सब करने को time मिलता है. और ये सब free में मिला है आपको. ऊपर वाले ने आपको सब free में दिया है और हम इसका value नहीं करते हैं. So I was once meeting a friend in, I remember VKC. I had gone to meet him. उसके रूम से sunset दिखता था. तो वो तो बहुत बिजी था. So as I was sitting there, I was looking at the sunset and I told him, what a lovely office you have यार, कितना बढ़िया sunset दिखता है. And वो 5 मिनट के लिए चुप हो गया. बोला मैंने तो आज तक कभी देखा ही नहीं. तो I said, अरे तुम्हारे सामने तुमने देखा नहीं तो what's the use of it? So I don't know whether I have really overshot the time, but Anil sir, once I start speaking about this, I really feel very passionate about this. So maybe I overshot the time that you had slotted. But I would only urge, there is a lot to do in life. And today I'm 49 years of age. And मुझे लगता है कि जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है. मुझे अब लाइफ में इतना कुछ करना है. तो क्या क्या करें? So I just do those things which are my priorities. I just don't do any of those things which are not my priorities. So I'll just say that. And thanks, Anil sir, for giving me this opportunity to talk to such a wonderful audience here.
Sir, I think you should just focus on the chat section. That's all I'll say. This is not planned. मेरे को करना था. जब से मिस्टर राजपूत का सुना, दिल डल गया. उनका वो चिचोरे पिक्चर मैं और मेरे बच्चे ने साथ में देखा. I don't want him to be under pressure. और मुझे साहब को मैंने खाली बुलाया कि बच्चे को खाली बताओ. Thank you sir. Thank you from speaking. Right. बाकी सर आप चैट पे देख लीजिए. I am continuing the session. आपको सब कमेंट्स चैट पे मिल जाएंगे मेरे बच्चों को.
Thank you.
गणेश साहब ने स्टार्ट भी कर दिया उधर.
Thank you. Bye.
मुझे बहुत चिंता हो रही है बेटे आप लोग का. बहुत प्रेशर है आप लोग के ऊपर. आप प्लीज जरा गलत कदम मत उठाना. सब साथ में करेंगे ना. हम लोग है ना सब साथ पे. ऐसा कुछ the world is not going to come to an end. हम लोग है साथ में. It's a collective thing. Yes, I appeal personally. Thank you. By the way, right, this has been a slide. I would like to. I tried something new, but that didn't work out, so no problem. It's a collective hunger sponsorship. My first sponsor, as always, love you, Paul Moon. Right, love you. Sunanda, I'll come back to it. इनका बताना है, right? I have to talk about the Manjarikas very soon. I have to talk about Prasad very soon. I have to time this properly. Hiranya, lady entrepreneur, love her. Annie George, right? Wonderful lady, right? Speedo, we got that last time. Parsis and Pies together, wonderful combination, right? Doing extremely well. Today's sponsor is Kamal Agarwal Group. My friend, my bacha, Saurabh Agarwal. I'm so delighted to have him as a sponsor that for the first time ever I had to tell somebody, बेटे रुक ज़्यादा contribute कर रहा है collective hunger को. तो मेरे को पहला phone कर, तेरा सब ठीक चल रहा है क्या? Then he called up and said, सब ठीक चल रहा है sir. Right? And this is thanks to Manas Shah who told me about his story. Right? He respects his grandfather a lot. So I start by paying homage to his grandfather. His father, this boy went through a very bad tragedy. He lost his grandfather and father in very short period of time. And as I was told by a dear colleague, not Saurabh, within 2 days of the unfortunate death of father, the family started putting pressure on this young man. ये सौरभ तूने नहीं बताया मेरे को बेटे, लेकिन आपका बैचमेट ने बताया. So I'm really proud of you. And वो जो family conflict हुआ, सौरभ handled very well. So मैं बच्चों को पूछने लगा, is Saurabh really doing well? Yeah, he's getting inspired by my speech that is going on donating 10,000, 25,000. वो करते जा रहा था. तो मैं बोला भाई रुक. Are you doing it because you are passionate? Anil Menon speaks very well, so you are doing it, or are you really doing well? So his batchmates told me he's doing extremely well. He went through a very bad patch. All right, God bless his uncles also. Nothing wrong. But this is where you stand up and say, okay, I'll fight back. He started, this is the combination. He started an agro firm, right? But he's not an agripreneur like Captain Aditya. He started, right? And he has people working. This is the sort of things that he does there. This is the products. He doesn't like me saying lot, so I will look at this. That's his lovely family, right? I honestly, I don't even remember this kid, but now I feel he's standing right in front of me, right? Santosh Agrawal, right? Neha, Akshay, God bless. Kiyansh, I'm sorry. Samaira, Shrishti, and of course, dear Shiv. Lovely family right here. Family photograph. As always, please respect your employees. Very important. Everywhere I'll keep showing about them because we are because of them. Bhaskar sir says this very well. मुझे उनका salary नहीं पता, उनका ज़रूरतें पता है. That's a classic dialogue. Yes, they play cricket together. They bond together. That's your Diwali photo. And that's it. Today's session starts. Thank you, my sponsor. Thank you, Saurabh. God bless you. Right. I would like to go back just for 1 minute. This is my today's sponsor. Thank you very much, Saurabh. Right. God bless you. And this is the holding company. Okay. I owe it to them because they have contributed to the Hunger Collective movement. So I have taken this time. So here we go. God bless you, Bete. Your father and grandfather, may their soul. Right. I can only say namaste to them. Here we are. Why this session today? Very simple. The last column, agriculture and allied activities. Great reforms that has been come from the government of India. Are you ready for it? Essential Commodities Act completely amended. 1955 Act completely amended. Are you game for it? Are you game to be an agripreneur? Yes. Very good. Government is funding through NABARD. We'll talk about this next time. I'm going to get somebody from Tier 2 part of India. I think the action comes from there now. Okay. And last but not the least, this photograph I used to see for American farmers. And in India, as Mr. Swaminathan said, agriculture is the riskiest profession. The father of Green Revolution, he said that agriculture is the riskiest profession. And for the information of all, Mr. Swaminathan sir unleashed Green Revolution in India, but we don't recognize him. He was standing all alone in the airport once. I remember about 5-10 years back. I went to him because I remember seeing his photograph. I said, hello, sir. He looked at me as if, why is he? I said, I'm a teacher, sir. I want to give my respect to you. I know you are the father of Green Revolution. Standing all alone, by the way. Standing all alone. I think that time he must be about 70, 75. Okay. He said, yeah, God bless you. I said, thank you, sir. I came back. And then I remember him saying agriculture is the riskiest profession. And this is an American farmer. But I think things are going to change now because contract farming is going to come up. A lot of things are going to come up. I'm not going to come in the way of today's speaker. I'm going to stop share and I'm going to give it to Captain Aditya, who is from the armed forces. He took voluntary retirement. Love him. Love his discipline. In the same thing, I had said sorry to him because I adjusted his schedule. Right? No, that's right. That's discipline. Now he's ready. He was ready 1 week back. He's going to talk. He's an agripreneur, hands-on agriculture. And that's it. That's the power of SPJ and FMB. You talk e-commerce, I'll get viral. You tell me this, I'll get somebody. Somebody wanted somebody from the credit rating field. He's ready. Monday we are on. Somebody from the banking industry is going to talk about credit rating industry. Some of you all said, can you talk about a businessman who talks about agriculture from Tier 2? Friday that is on. But today it is Captain